Mechatronics, the term coined in Japan in the 1970s, has evolved over the past 25 years and has led to a special breed of intelligent products. It is a natural stage in the evolutionary process of modern engineering design. For some engineers, mechatronics is nothing new, and, for others, it is a philosophical approach to design that serves as a guide for their activities. Certainly, mechatronics is an evolutionary process, not a revolutionary one. It is clear that an all-encompassing definition of mechatronics does not exist, but in reality, one is not needed. It is understood that mechatronics is about the synergistic integration of mechanical, electrical, and computer systems. Mechatronics has become a major player in many manufacturing processes. Mechatronics is the integration of the electrical engineering, mechanical engineering and computer engineering fields of study. These disciplines combine and work together in the planning, commissioning, operation, maintenance and repair of computer-controlled manufacturing processes. I believe the study of mechatronics will increase because of the high rate of automated processes being put into place in manufacturing facilities. Due to this increase in automated systems, there is sure to be an increasing demand for qualified workers, technicians and engineers in the field of mechatronics technology. As a result, a large number of vocational and engineering schools have introduced a mechatronics curriculum in the past couple of years. A mechatronics system is a smart system. A smart system is a process that is monitored by various sensors which feed data to a programmable logic controller, which in turn uses a program to make decisions about what actuators to activate. This is called a closed-loop system. You can use driving your car as an analogy. Your brain is the programmable logic controller (PLC), your decisions about speed, acceleration, braking, turning, etc. is the program, and your eyes and ears are the sensors feeding data to your brain, which in turn uses this input data to make decisions about what actuators, your feet for acceleration or braking for example, to activate. Since an automated manufacturing process uses mechanical actuators, digital electronic sensors and a PLC, basically a computer, it goes without saying that skilled workers will be needed to operate and maintain these automated systems. Someone who desires to work with an automated system would do well to start out by studying a mechatronics curriculum. The student will need to choose a program of study that includes training in mechanical actuators to include both pneumatic and hydraulic systems, digital electronics such as sensors and systems interfacing, and programmable logic controllers. For more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching.